Hello everyone, welcome back to Trampoline Workout Dude, and today I'm going to talk about 6 health benefits of rebounding. So please stay tuned, you don't want to miss this video. So the first benefit of rebounding is that rebounding exercises helps to increase your heart rate, which actually improves circulation. Also, rebounding helps to lower blood pressure by increasing your heart rate and making your heart more stronger than what it is. So the second health benefit of rebounding is that it's excellent for building strength, and it's also excellent for building more strength in your back as well. Also, rebounding has been proven to help people that are suffering from osteoporosis, and it can benefit people who have arthritis. So make sure you continue to rebound to balance your back pain away. The third benefit of rebounding is that it can stabilize your blood and sugar level. So when you're rebounding, your body will increase the glucose level, which will actually provide you with more energy. Rebounding can also improve your blood and sugar level by improving the function of insulin. So the fourth benefit of rebounding is that it can actually improve your balance. So as we get older, our balance starts to deteriorate, especially if we're not active in our lives. So rebounding actually helps to improve your balance by increasing your brain to muscle responsiveness. So when you're jumping on a trampoline, your mind and your body have to adapt. So the fifth benefit of rebounding is that if you're sick, it can actually help clear your nose. So if you're suffering from congestionedness, just try jumping on a trampoline for a few minutes. It may even clear you up. So the sixth and final benefit of rebounding is that it helps to clear your lymphatic system. So regular rebounding on a daily basis is like massaging your lymphatic system, allowing it to drain through your body more effectively and reducing buildup that can lead to unhealthy inflammations. So I hope everyone enjoyed this short video of the 6 health benefits of rebounding. And I would highly appreciate if you can hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be updated every time I release a new video. I'm trying to become the authority figure on trampoline exercise, the trampoline benefits, and just the support from the community. Just by liking, subscribing, and sharing means a ton to me. So have a great day, and please stay tuned to the next video.